Welcome to Home of Math. We already simplify algebraic fraction, lowest form, division or multiplication, and from this video we will start addition or subtraction of algebraic expression. This is a part 7 and you will get part 1 to 6 in the video description. Now let's start. A. X minus 3 divide 3 minus x plus 5 divide 4. So we just make LCM. So 3 and 4 has no common factor, so we will multiply this one, it will become 12. So 12 divide 3, it will be 4 and times x minus 3. Minus 12 divide 4, 3 and then x plus 5. 12, here is 4x minus 12 minus 3x minus 15. Then 12, 4x minus 3x, it will be x and minus 27. This is our answer. B. Two x minus 4 divide 9 minus x minus 3 divide 4 plus 1. So here is also no common factor. So 9 times 4, 36 is our LCM. So 4, 2x minus 4 minus 36 divide 4, 9 x minus 3 plus 36. 36, so 8x minus 16 minus 9x plus 27 plus 36. Then 36, so 8x minus 9x, it means minus x, or here we can write 36, 27 minus 16. So 27 minus 16 is 11, 36, 47. Minus 9x plus 8x, it means only x. So this is our answer. 47 minus x divide 36. This one. Here is also common thing. LCM is 12. So we can write 12 plus 3x minus 4 minus 4x plus 2. So here is 12, then 12 plus 9x minus 12 minus 4x minus 8, right? Then 12, 9x minus 4x, it's a 5x. Then plus 12 minus 12 out, and here is minus 8. This is our answer. Number D. 11 over a plus 11 plus 8 over a minus 8. Similar thing, here is no common factor, so a plus 11 times a minus 8. So 11 times a minus 8 plus 8 a plus 11. So here is a plus 11, then a minus 8. So we can write here 11a minus 88 plus 8a plus 88. So minus 88 plus 88 out, and 11a, 8a, it will be 19a. Then a plus 11 a minus 8, and this is our answer. Okay, done. So A to D already we complete. Next one, E. Number E, 12 over x minus 12 minus 6 over x minus 6. So here LCM is x minus 12 then x minus 6. So here we can write 12 times x minus 6 minus 6 times x minus 12, right? Then x minus 12 and x minus 6. So here is 12x minus 72 minus 6x plus 72. So minus 72 plus 72 out, and finally we can write 12x minus 6x. It means 6x and x minus 12 then x minus 6. This is our answer. Number F, similar, no common factor, so r plus 12 times r minus 8 is our LCM. So 12 r minus 8 plus 8 r plus 12. Okay, then r plus 12 r minus 8, and here is 12 r minus 96 plus 8 r plus 96. So minus 96 plus 96 out, here is 20 r, then r plus 12 and r minus 8. Okay, we are doing subtraction and addition of algebraic fractions, and today's last math or last part, G and H, we try to solve. Look, here is 2 by xy plus 4xz 3 over yz. So look, here is xy, here is xz, and here is yz. So if we find out the factorization, we know common and uncommon will be put in LCM. So here LCM is x, y, z. Therefore once we divide xyz by xy, we will get 2 and z, plus here is 4y and here is 3x, right? So we can write like this, 3x plus 4y plus 2z, divide x, y, z. This is our answer. Very simple. Number H, last part. So 5 over t minus 2 minus 1 over t minus 3. So t minus 2 times t minus 3 is our LCM. So we can write like this, 5 t minus 3 minus 1, here is t minus 2. So we can write like this, t minus 2 times t minus 3. So 5t minus 15 minus t plus 2. So what will be the answer? Answer is t minus 2 times t minus 3, and here is 5t minus t, it will be 4t, and minus 15 plus 2, it will be minus 13. This is our answer. So thank you very much being with me. In this part 7 we are trying to solve 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 math. So we can write here in our summary, we complete what? We complete A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So A to H, A to H, and number of math 8. Thank you. If you think this video is helping you, please subscribe my channel and also share with your friends. Day by day I will publish lots of math which will help you in the examination. Thank you.